Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing safety and measurement. Put on respirator, gloves, and goggles and ventilate the space. Once you have materials, weigh paint and reducer on a scale. Use the manufacturer ratio, often 4:1, so coverage and viscosity are predictable. Then use a mechanical stirrer at low speed to fold pigment into binder, scraping the can sides. This prevents streaks. Make sure to check viscosity with a Zahn cup or flow cup. Adjust by 5–10% reducer until the film lays out smoothly. You now move into execution. Choose an applicator that handles high solids, an 1824 mm nap roller for texture or a 1.41 8 mm spray tip for smooth finishes. Once done, apply a controlled, thin first coat. Heavy paint builds in layers to cure properly, so target 30–50 micro-m wet film and avoid sagging. Make sure to allow a proper flash time of 10–20 minutes. Then sand lightly with 300–400 grit to key the surface, remove dust, and repeat until desired thickness is achieved. You finish by following proper cure and cleanup. After the final coat, maintain 20–25 degrees C and 40–60% RH for 24–72 hours to achieve full hardness. Lower temps extend cure. Once cured to tack-free, wet sand any orange peel with 600–800 grit, then polish if needed. Make sure to flush and store equipment in the correct solvent and seal leftover paint tightly. If things go wrong, like runs or excessive texture, sand the affected area to a smooth, matte surface and reapply a thin, even coat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.